Good afternoon, friends. Last time we see the soil formation, process of the soil formation, and today we see the soil profile that belongs to idiopathic factor. Then first is what is meant by soil profile. The complete succession of the horizon down to the level of the undifferentiated parent material is called the soil profile. The soil profile म्हणजे complete succession of the horizon. Horizon म्हणजे काय हे तुम्हाला मी लास्ट टाइम सांगितलं होतं की लाईन ॲट विच द अर्थ सरफेस अँड द स्काय अपियर टू मीट. म्हणजे अर्थ सरफेसची आणि स्कायच्या मधातली जी लाईन आहे, म्हणजे आपल्याला असं ती दिसेल की बा एकमेकांना टच होते, दॅट इज द हॉरिझॉन. और it is very important in the soil profile. Or another, we have say the vertical section of the earth crust showing the different layer of the horizon of the soil, that is called the soil profile. So the difference of the horizon, uh, which type of horizon found in the soil profile? The A, B, C, R. This is the horizon: A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, and the R horizon. That is the layer of the soil. Then first is the organic then surface. B layer is the subsoil. C layer is the substratum, and B layer is the bedrock. So these are the layer of the horizon, and in it is the important for the profile of the soil. So what is mean by the soil? So soil is the collection of the natural body of the earth surface and containing living matter and the supporting or the capable of the supporting plants. So this is the very important for the soil profile, and soil is the important factor of the soil. Then of the soil profile, that it's the grace to deep water or the barren area and the lock and ice. It is a lower limit is normally considered to be the lower limit of the common rooting zone and of the native perennial plants. A boundary that is the shallow and the desert and the tundra and the deep in the humid topics. Generally different topics are held in the world, and in specific Indian environmental condition that depends of the climatic and the environmental changes. So that is the effective in the soils. So different type of soil are found in our Indian and specifically a different state. Then what is the soil profile? So what is mean by soil profile? A soil profile is a vertical cross section of the layer of the soil found in the given area. So specific area that we have studied the specific soil profile, which type of soil is found in the specific community or the specific state. So two type of example of the soil profile, but though you see in the diagram, that is soil layers. So which type of soil layer are found in specific area and specific state. So both are important for the soil profile. Then next is the first layer of the soil profile is the horizon O, that is organic matter. Then surface layer at the depth, म्हणजे त्या याच्यातली जितकी खोल आहे, जितना वो नीचे जाएगा उसकी उतनी दूसरी उसका फीट जो एरिया है, that is the O horizon first. It is a dark in color, soft in texture. Then humus, rich in organic material of the plant and animal, origin in the stage of the decomposition. So in organic matter, humus, leaf litter, and the surface layer, that is the depth of the horizon, that is important for the first horizon, and several layers can occur in some soil consisting only of the O horizon. O horizon is the first layer of the soil profile. Then next to the O horizon, that is the A horizon, that is the top soil, biomental horizon. इस दूसरा नाम इसका बायोमेंटल हॉरिजॉन भी है, बट दिस इज कलेक्शन फॉर द मिनरल सॉइल एट द डेप्थ. उसकी जो नीचे की गहराई है वो कितनी 2 to 10 फीट दिखती रहेंगी, बिकॉज द सम ह्यूमस प्रेजेंट डार्कर इन कलर दैट द लेयर बिलो. यानी जो डायग्राम में आपको दिख रहा है एक डार्क कलर की ये है, दैट इज द ओ हॉरिजन, एंड बिलो द दैट लेयर that is the A horizon. Then biomantle, most biological productive layer, it is earthworm, fungi and bacteria live this layer. यानी जितना हम कोई प्लांट लगाते हैं, प्लांट लगाने के वक्त जितना हम उसको अंदर डीप कर डीप उसकी सॉइल निकालेंगे, उसमें हमें ये लेयर एक एक करके निकालती कब कहाँ तक, 2 से 10 फीट तक वो पूरा गड्ढा अंदर हम खोदने के बाद हमें ये ए हॉरिजॉन की लेयर लगती है। और वो हॉरिजॉन की लेयर में क्या क्या रहेगा, अर्थवॉर्म रहेगा, फंजा एंड बैक्टीरिया लाइव दिस लेयर। इसीलिए जब भी कोई प्लांट हम प्लांटेशन करते हैं तो जो उसका नॉर्मली जितना उसको स्पेस लगती है 2 से 10 फीट तक, उसका जो गड्ढा रहता है वो अंदर हम उसकी खुदाई होती है। The smallest and finest particle also found in this layer. Then next is the E horizon. Then oh ho ho. Then E horizon, the listening layer of the horizon, that is a small layer between A and B horizon. देखो पहले ग्राउंड सरफेस हो गया, ए हॉरिजन हो गया, ओ हॉरिजन हो गया, उसके बाद ए एंड बी के बीच की जो लाइन है दैट इज कॉल्ड द ई हॉरिजन एंड डेप्थ इज 10 to 15 feet. They light in color mainly sand and silt. Poor mineral and clay content due to the leaching of the loss of water, returning plant nutrients to the water table, soil particles larger than in a horizon but smaller than in the B horizon. Then next to the horizon is the B horizon. Then it is very important to that A and B. Then next is the E horizon and B horizon is at a depth is 10 to 30 feet. जितनी अंदर खुदाई होंगी उसके सबसे नीचे वाला जो horizon है that is called the B horizon. Some organic material may reach here through the leaching. Then plant roots can extend into this layer and red and brown in color due to the oxide and the epic clay. जितना अंदर खुदाई तुम प्लांट्स के वक्त प्लांटेशन के वक्त तुम करते हो, जो भी प्लांट तुमको वहां पे लगाना है, अगर उसकी 30 to 30 फीट उसकी खुदाई है तो वो जो हम सॉइल लेते हैं उसकी हम अगर लैब में टेस्टिंग के लिए डालते हैं तो उसमें हम रेड ब्राउन कलर के अगर सॉइल है तो डेफिनेटली उसमें हमें फेरस सल्फेट और ऑक्साइड्स की जो क्ले मिलेगी उसमें ये दोनों भी कंटेंट रहेंगे। इसीलिए दैट कंटेंट इज कॉल्ड द बी हॉरिजॉन एंड इट इज द लास्ट इट इज द below by the A and B horizon. Then C horizon, that is the ray glow length horizon. It is depth 30 to 48. यानी सबसे नीचे के इसमें जो layer रहेंगी that is the C horizon made up of the large rocks or the lump partially broken bedrock. Then least affected by the weathering and have changed into least into their origin. An organic matter due to the being is the far down in the soil profile, that is the C horizon, and it is the depth is the 30 to 48 feet. Then R horizon, it is the bedrock horizon at depth is the 48 feet. Deepest soil horizon is the soil profile, no rocks, no boulders, and the continuous mass of the bedrock. That is the R horizon, and colors are those of the original rock of the area. जो एरिया का रॉक का कलर रहेगा वही आर हॉरिजन का कलर रहेगा। इसमें आप देख रहे हैं दोनों भी जो डायग्राम्स है, ऊपर की जो लेयर है दैट इज द लीफ लिटर, देन ह्यूमस मिक्स विद द मिनरल्स विद द लिटिल ह्यूमस, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट लेयर दैट इज कॉल्ड द आर हॉरिजन। देन सॉइल फॉर्मिंग फैक्टर, लास्ट टाइम आपने सॉइल फॉर्मिंग फैक्टर्स के टाइप्स देखे थे, कौन से टाइप से कुछ याद है? नहीं, आपको याद नहीं होगा, बट द टाइप ऑफ द climatic factors and formation of soil factors are important to the soil profile. Then first is the climate is the specifically precipitation, temperature, and the first action of fundamental influence on the soil formation process that takes place within any given location. The first is the climate, then second is the 1 minute. Then time. Soil formation takes several hundred to the thousand of the year to undergo the significant changes. That is the below. That is depend on the time and most of the soil of the world have taken more than 10,000 years to form the current state of the soil. That is the second factor is the soil for soil forming factor is the time. Then the parent material determines the mineralogical composition and widely contributes the chemical and the physical characteristic of the soil. Then next is the topography. Topography is the configuration of the land surface and the relation among its man-made and the natural features. Because typically it is the shape of the land surface and its position as well as slope of the landscape. So that is the topography. And organism is the all living organism playing an active role in the soil formation process, and it is the very important in soil profile also. So this is the soil soil forming factor of the soil profile of the formation of the soil process. And then next is the components of the soil. So what is which is the some components of the soil is important for the soil profile. First is the a soil horizon makes up the distinct layer of the soil. First पहला इसका components है. दूसरा, the soil profile extend from the soil surface to the parent rock material. Then third is the it includes all the weathered material within the profile. The components is very the two components, which is the soil and the saprolite. Soil is nothing but the upper part of the soil profile, which is influenced by the plant roots and the horizon and the B horizon. दोनों के बीच में जो parts है या जो layer है, that is the soil. And saprolite means it is the chemically weathered rock. Saprolites form is the lower zone of the soil profile and represent the deep weathering of the bedrock surface, and it is most outcrops. Its colors come from the ferric compound. जैसे मैंने आपको बोले कि लास्ट वाली जो लेयर है कौन सी तुम्हारी आर हॉरिजॉन की, उसमें आपको जो कंटेंट्स मिलेंगे वो ऑक्सीडाइज रहेंगे, उसमें फेरस सल्फेट एंड दूसरा कौन सा बोला था मैंने, द रॉक एरिया में भी जो उसमें कंटेंट्स है दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द soil profile layer. And the soil profile layer contains their content that have found in the specific layer, because it is important to the layer of the soil and specific state environmental changes and the soil profile. So this is very important for the important components of the soil profile. Then next in next chapter we see the soil biota and their adaptation. So in any queries or complaints, please ask me in the chatting box. I will hear. I have only 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you very much.